Hi everyone, Russell Oliver here, and I'm here to talk to you about Facebook tabs. Now these tabs have a multitude of uses, such as showcasing your YouTube channel, entering in the mailing list, that sort of thing, and so much more. You can even run sweepstake competitions as well. So I'm here to talk to you how to customize your Facebook tabs. So today we're going to be using multiple pages that I have for numerous businesses. I'm going to start with the training page here, just to showcase how easy it is to actually kickstart a YouTube channel straight off this page. Okay, so the best thing to do from here is quite simple. I like to open up a new tab. So okay, so now that we've got another tab up and running, what you want to do here is literally up on the top search field, you're wanting to type in YouTube, and once you've done that, just hit on the monocular. Okay, so right here you got a whole list of pages, posts, and applications as well. So what I like to do is, if you have an application called YouTube tab, just click use now. Okay, so you'll come up with the main menu for the YouTube tab for Facebook itself, and it's got a whole bunch of descriptions there, the features that it does have. So if you're really happy about it, you can just click. Okay, so pretty self-explanatory YouTube tab. You can just ensure that you select Facebook pages and nothing else. So hopefully, once you click on Facebook pages, you're wanting to select the page that you want this tab to be on. So I'm just going to put on the training page as my other page, Russell Oliver, doesn't come up because I've actually already got it on there. And then once you're happy with that, hit Add Page tab. Alright, so this little installation in progress will come up, and literally it'll self-redirect, but if it doesn't, then the link down the bottom, you can just click on that and it should actually kickstart. So we'll just wait for this to load up properly. Okay, so sorry, this is a whole heap of gobbledygook to most of you out there. Some of you guys and girls will actually know what to do from here. So let's just go through this bit by bit. YouTube channel ID or playlist. If you're not too sure, you just have to click on here, and we'll just go open link new tab, and it should literally take it to your YouTube channel that you have up and running. If you don't have a YouTube channel, you can click on my YouTube channel link in the descriptions, and there is a whole bunch of step-by-step instructions there to create one. But however, let's cruise on through. So this tab that's just opened up, it tells you how to find your YouTube channel ID. It's pretty easy. So it's got this whole heap of stuff there. So down here you go, sign into your YouTube account, go to the settings, yada yada yada, and click advanced. But I'm going to take you through that process right now. So let's click on to the YouTube channel that I've got already. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff up the top. Okay, so this is pretty good. I've got 106 subscribers to my channel. Yay, bonus. It's very hard to even get about 10, so I must be doing something right. But let's crack on and get the channel ID. So what you want to do is hit this little cog button here. Click onto advanced settings. Alright, and I'll just click on the little photo as well. And oh my god, it's just had a spaz. So we'll go through this process again. Okay, so let's go up on the top right here icon, click on the photo of yourself, click on the cog, which is the settings. So this is all right, easy peasy. You got your YouTube user ID or channel ID. I love my channel ID more than my user ID, so we're going to do that. So basically you wanted to display your channel in the YouTube tab itself. So getting back into your Facebook page, you just simply chuck in your YouTube channel ID. You can also, if you want to, have a featured video as well. So we'll go and do that. Sweet. So the featured video ID, I'm assuming, is just the video URL itself. So I'm just doing that. Got a specific video that I like to display from YouTube, so I'll just pretty much copy the URL of that one. So here we go. This is the video that I've chosen. As you can see, it's got quite a few views. YouTube literally almost spitting the dummy in the first few weeks, but it's gotten up there and forced you right to be unique. Literally, this is about my little bit about my experience, about how I kind of dealt with it and evolved with being bullied online. But enough of that. So we're going to select the URL itself, which is that one there, and that can be the literally the feature video, which I think I've already chucked it in there actually, but we'll just make sure it's good to go. We can also put a header image in there if we want to. I generally don't really care, or we can use a URL from the website to do just the same, but I'm not going to do that. So this is the magic link. We can directly copy this URL on any website, anywhere whatsoever, or you know, in our post, and automatically it'll display the YouTube channel within the Facebook page in someone else's feed, that sort of thing. Autoplay, yeah, I'm going to autoplay that sucker. Load more videos, yeah, I think so. And also we're going to save some settings too. So while this is happening, it's working its magic in the background. I'm hoping it works. I haven't actually done this for a while, setting up YouTube channels within my Facebook page itself. But looks like it's actually done the job, and it's loaded up all the other YouTube videos that I do have. And I must admit, I'm pretty proud. I've got quite a few at this stage. Not bad for a person who has 106 subscribers, with only around about, let's say, 30 odd videos, and growing, by the way. Cool. So that's pretty much how we can do the YouTube itself, YouTube channels on your Facebook page. So we're going to cross over now to my other page, which I'm actually wanting to set up a MailChimp link to it. So we'll go through MailChimp right now. So as we can see here, my Russell Oliver business consulting or business coach page itself, I've got a whole heap of tabs, but none of these tabs literally have the ability to link with MailChimp. Now, for those of you who don't know what MailChimp is, MailChimp is pretty much collecting email addresses itself. It's pushing out email marketing campaigns, such as newsletters, that sort of thing. Some people find them interesting, some people don't. I like to subscribe to my competitors to see what sort of trends that they're shifting towards, and also see how they marketing their campaigns, promoting their products, and what type of competition are they running as well. So without further ado, we're going to go and do this through MailChimp. Now, MailChimp itself is pretty awesome. If you have a MailChimp account, hey, fantastic, you're pretty much almost there already. But however, if you don't have a MailChimp account, you can actually sign up with any email address. Do not, whatever you do not use your work email address. That is a big fat no-no to most organisations out there. So what you want to do is sign up with your own personal account. I've done this through my extra.co.nz account. However, I'm going to start shifting that to my actual website email address as well, which is pretty easy. Okay, so you'll come up with this page, integrations itself, throughout your MailChimp. If you're not too sure how to get there and you're somewhere else, basically you're wanting to go into your account, and so we'll just do this now. Go here, go into your account, and you should be able to see a whole bunch of stuff like this. So hopefully I don't embarrass myself and go into the wrong spot. No, that is awesome. Sweet. So the next thing that you're going to do, by the way, I've just signed this up and I'm just experimenting as I go, is the next thing that you're wanting to go to is integrations itself. So integrations, you got a whole bunch of options. You can link it to your WooCommerce, Facebook, Twitter, which I've already done, SurveyMonkey, yep, blah, 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 blah. There's a whole heap of stuff. Even PayPal. Man, PayPal is awesome. So I'm definitely going to do that. Yeah, so let's get started with the Facebook itself. Log in. Now, if you're utilising Facebook, I strongly recommend that you have the two-step verification method. So what that does is that when you fill in your code, your password on the keyboard, it automatically says, yep, can you confirm this? And you have the option of using a code generator on your mobile device, or having the option of sending a text message sending to your phone with 6 or so numbers that you need to input into your Facebook to actually be able to log in and continue as well. So it's pretty awesome. So the page to use, yep, I'm going to use my Russell Oliver page here, and the list to use, yep, Russell Oliver again. So if you have, some of you may have about 6 or 7 lists, depending on your target audience for various services and products that you utilise. Hey, that's fine. All you have to do is select the list. Simple as that. Use sign up form tab. Yep, I am definitely doing that. And for now, I'm just going to use the Facebook one, Facebook template for the form itself. You can use email sign up, or sign up, you know, whatever. So I'm going to use the default. Hit save. Sweet. So down the bottom left here it said page tab updated. So what that means is that if you go back to your page itself, we're going to scroll here, and just refresh your page, and hey presto, you're going to find another tab all the way down the bottom. Alrighty, I now have quite a lot of tabs to go through, but I'm going to eventually show you how vital each and every one of these are. But in the meantime, email sign up has just popped up out of nowhere, and ta-da, we just click onto that and have a bit of a look-see and see what it actually looks like. Facebook itself is pretty quite crisp and clear in regards to Facebook sign-ups. Just like that, it's pretty damn easy. So all that I need to do is get people to fill in the relevant fields and then click subscribe to list. But the other thing is that if I wanted to use my own personal theme, I simply go back to the integrations panel for MailChimp and change the form feed to my list theme defaults. I kind of didn't want to do this, but hey, we might as well see how it goes, eh? Right, and this is what the theme default looks like. In actual fact, it doesn't look too bad, to be quite honest. So, you know, overall, you do what you want to do. So I'm going to stick to this puppy because it looks good. Maybe make a few changes in the MailChimp end, but yeah, I quite like this one actually. So that's pretty much how you can change and integrate your tabs. You can add stuff as well. But the other things that I'm wanting to show you is these other tab applications out there as well. So we're going to go into what I like to call the not WooCommerce, the WooBox. Okay, so this is my own admin account, and as you can see right here, there is a heaps of promotional tabs. You can use your static tabs, post tabs, and ads as well. So she is pretty jam-packed with all sorts of stuff. I'm using a free account. I'm contemplating whether to actually pay $30 a month to have unlimited tabs. For instance, I have set up an SEO tutorial YouTube tab itself for those who actually need it. You can also select HTML fangate tabs. Now, HTML fangate tabs is an instant link to your website. I do not use this because I've already linked my website to the Learn More tab at the top there. But let's go back to WooCommerce, WooBox itself. So yeah, as you can see, it's jam-packed full of some good stuff. I'm not going to go on too much about it, so let's carry on, and I will select something else. Okay, there is also called there's another application called tabboundary.com, and it's sort of like the WooBox itself. It again has a whole multitude of different types of tabs that you can possibly use. And I wish it would start loading properly. Okay, so basically you definitely need to log into Tab Boundary, and the best way to do that is you log in using your Facebook profile, and it automatically takes the information in, and yeah, hey presto. So in this little field here, you can select all the pages that you're wanting. I'm going to stick to Russ Oliver, and it lists all the current tabs that you've got right there, and some unpublished tabs as well. And if you wanted to create new, you can create a new tab, a winter contest, timeline promotion, winter game contest again, create your own custom tab. That's only if you're knowledgeable in coding itself. Trust me, coding does take quite a bit of time. I just don't have the patience for it. You could run a sweepstakes, connect to Twitter, Instagram, or email sign up, and a photo contest as well. So once again, I just strongly suggest that you check this out. Now, the one thing about engagement with your audience itself is running a photo contest in your page. Man, that's just going to get some fantastic engagement for your Facebook page itself. Right. Rightio, ladies and gents, that's it from me, Russell Oliver here. I hope you enjoyed my little tutorial about creating Facebook tabs, and you know, you can actually change the order of the way that they present themselves in relevance to your page. Also, I strongly recommend that if you do have a YouTube channel or Instagram account, link it to your page. Instagram is very powerful. It's part of Facebook itself. And any photos that you can upload on Instagram automatically shifts to your Facebook page, ensuring that you're using the right keywords as well as the hashtags in your Instagram accounts. Utilising SEOs also is a major plus in regards to whatever interaction that you make on your Facebook page too. So the tabs itself can be very powerful. You can literally enhance your mailing list, create campaigns, emailing campaigns straight off it, also connecting your YouTube account and showcasing what you have on offer, what you do and what your services are, and literally you know, enhancing and promoting your brand in the process. So without further ado, that's me, Russell Oliver here, and the quote of the day is pretty much just go hard or go home. You know, you put your maximum effort into whatever you need to achieve and to accomplish. Don't always put all eggs in one basket. You know, leave a couple out just in case you get a few bad ones. All right, so that's me, Russ Holiday here. Peace.